today we have our lovely model Reece. Reece has come here today, he's a hairstylist, so I'm very lucky he's already pre-lightened his base. So we're creating 2 looks today on Reece's hair. We are going to be using the lavender on the first look. This is going to create a really soft look. Then after that we're going to be doing ultraviolet, so we're going to create a more powerful, strong festival look. As you notice, Reece's hair is dry. The reason we're doing this is we just want the colour to be more intense, so we're going to apply it on dry today.